You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 1 over 6. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 2x negative 1. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 1 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 6. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals 1 over 6.